Big man. Alright, hello Mr. AJ. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the famous Dunns River Falls. Welcome to the famous Dunns River Falls, the moment you all have been waiting for. Remember now, falls climbers, the only thing you need is a proper pair of climbing shoes, your waterproof phone cases, and everyone needs their face mask. Remember, on the waterfalls, you're not allowing any also shoes, flip-flop, or bare feet. So for those who don't have a proper pair of climbing shoes, please check with Lady Shauna Lee, and she'll be happy to assist you with your climbing shoes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Odessa, and this is the Adventures of a Queen. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me for a climb of the famous Dunns River Falls. So put on your water shoes and let's go climbing. We're about to climb the famous Dunns River Falls. I'll be taking you guys all the way to the top, and then we'll walk right back down. So come on and let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right. Anyway, my name is Troy. What's my name?
Troy.
But my friends around here call me BBT. That means Big Belly Troy. Yeah, man. But what I want all of you guys to be aware of this afternoon is the dark brown rocks. Dark brown rocks are very, very slippery. But what we do each and every morning, we use a steel brush or a wire brush to make the trail. I know the trail. So if I should say to any one of you guys, go to your left, go to your right, please try to do so. Not being bossy just because of your own safety. Your climb, start right there. We'll be climbing approximately 960 feet of cascade rock. That will take us 45 minutes up to an hour. But also climbing up, we do a fun spot where we stop to have fun. For example, the pizza stop, the slide, the whirlpool, and also the callback. At each and every one of you guys climb, that is if and when you should all make it on top, alive and well. I'm just kidding. That's where I leave it up to you. You show your most wonderful appreciation. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Right here, we have your local paparazzi. You gotta listen to what they have to say, and then we're good to go. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
But guys, I should tell you this earlier on. The water is very, very wet. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So you guys in for a good time?
Yeah, man.
Remember now, you just came off the #1 party boat. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
So we are the #1 team. Everybody put one finger up. Let's wake the place up. When I say number, you say one. Number one. Hello, guys. Remember now, if you have a #1 team, you have to look like it and sound like it. One finger in the ear again. Turn your volume to 100. Number one. Number one. Number one. Everybody say all the way.
All the way.
Say up, up, up.
Up, up, up.
That's where we're going today. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
My name is Roger, and I'll be the movie maker. Chugging along with you guys, making a wonderful souvenir of you guys climbing that waterfall today. Everything we do or attempt to do is going to go on camera. You fall, I catch you, but only on camera, yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
The first 15 minutes is a pre-record documentary that teaches about this beautiful island Jamaica, our food, sports, culture, history, also the language. We also put some reggae Bob Marley music in the background, so meanwhile you're hiking, you'll be jamming. You can also print multiple still photos from that same souvenir. Cost of my souvenir today, only $40 US. So all you gotta do at the end of the tour, you'll see me up top. That's where you get a chance to sign with me. You give me all the relevant information, including your active email address. So sign up me up top, pay me up top, or pay me by the side of the boat, and later on everything comes to the email. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
And ladies, remember now, secure the top.
We're about to start climbing the famous Dunns River Falls. We're climbing. Careful.
You're not coming?
All right, we're climbing. We're gonna take a picture here. I hope it ever
Come around, look. Come around this way. Look at me. In.
Here? Still climbing. We're still climbing. It's a nice waterfall though. It's a nice waterfall.
Stay to the left.
Stay to the left.
Stay to the left. Remember guys, you can hold to the top. Guys, you can hold to the top and look up.
Stand up and walk.
And follow.
We're still climbing.
Watch your step. Come straight up, come straight up. Hey, 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 hey. Watch your step, watch your step. Come on now, come on now. Stay there, stay there. Stay to the left, guys. Stay left. Stay left.
Nope, I'm good. Nope, I'm good.
Guys, guys.
I'm good.
Jared.
On the slide. You want to do it, Bella? Go ahead, do it. Go do it. Right here.
I don't want y'all falling or nothing.
Please stay to the left.
Now you have to do it. Yeah. You want to do it?
Kind of feel the steps.
You? Oh. I want a picture getting the waterfall. We're still climbing. Still climbing. Climbing.
Look. That's a video.
We're climbing. Almost there. At the top is just us. Look at the lot trying to go up there.
We going up? We going up?
Going up at the top is just us.
All the way up. I'm all the way up. Watch your steps.
Okay, so we just made it up from down there and we're still climbing. We're still climbing. We're still climbing. We made it. We made it. Let's keep going. We climbed Dunns River Falls along. We're almost there. Almost to the top. That would have been a cute picture. Alright, so we're at the top. That's where we came from. We've completed the climb of Dunns River Falls. We're going to take some pictures under this sign that states that we completed the climb. Oh, it was not that bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, so we're finished climbing the famous Dunns River Fall and we're walking back down the stairs to go back on our boat. So we have to walk back down the stairs to go back down. Taking you guys down the trail with us. My phone is finally out the pouch. Going back down the trail.
Go this way or this way?
I don't know. Is it the same? Let's just go right here.
That one there you can go close. It's close to the falls. You can see.
Okay. All right. Let's go this way now. Knock my phone. You gonna go left. So we just finished climbing. We're walking back down. They have like gift shops. No, it's okay.
Good, all right.
Picture. I'm sorry. I was gonna take a picture, but it's okay. The picture stopped. I was gonna. Okay, so we're back down. We're back down. We're about to get back on the boat.